September 11, around 8:30. So we've been servicing the machine. So the engine has been maintained or went undergone maintenance, and the tank and covering repainted. So it's looking like they're new. And we're planning to work at night. So I bought these from Lazada. They are 14 inches, something like that, 15 inches long. So, and they're going to be powered by the generator here. So I've already tested this. However, I need to put in a rectifier, bridge rectifier, to convert the AC to DC, and then directly coupled the DC to the lamp. So that's what I'm going to do next. I've already bought the plastic housing. So this is the plastic housing. In it will be the capacitor and bridge rectifier, so that we can directly couple the rectified to the light. So we're going to do three. So 1, 2, and then the third one over there. So we're just fixing this this machine. We couldn't use this machine because the chain was too long, so we had to remove one links. Now removing one links and then having to brute force the links together is challenging. So how do you do that? So look like the guys are looking for a remedy to brute force the chain. If we originally the chain links or the chain was the right size, then we'd use it all of a sudden stretch, so we couldn't get that. Uh, we couldn't get it. Why? All of a sudden we need to remove one chain link. Maybe it was supposed to be like that. I don't know. It's kind of hard, challenging. So anyway, this one painted silver. I run the wire from the generator to the front. So we're going to work at that the next several days. So this is what it looked like. We're maintaining the machine. So we have about 18 engine. Some of them has been serviced last crop. Now these needs to be serviced for the next coming crops cycle. So we gotta do this because what tends to happen is when they're being used, all of a sudden they break down, and you have no choice but to repair them. However, it disturbed the schedule. So what we have done is maintain the machine now, so that we don't. So our schedule is maintained. So that's the challenge of maintaining schedule. It is disturbed by machine breaking down, and that's how it goes. Later on, I plan to use this generator to add more power to the lamps if required. So this is maintaining the machine and making some improvement to help with growing rice in the Philippines. Thanks for watching.